how to open an Emirates NBD zero balance account. So if you want to open an Emirates NBD zero balance account, then here's how you can do it. First, you can go with your application if you have your application, which is Emirates NBD. But if you don't, then you can also go with your browser as well. So open up your Google or your browser and then search for Emirates NBD. Once you've searched, you need to go with the official website, which will be on the first search. Now, once you're here, you need to go and accept all of the cookies and then go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here, you need to go with account. Go and select the account that you would like to create. After that, tap on apply now. And if you're an existing customer, you can go with yes, or if you're not, then you can go with no. And enter your full name, your email address, your mobile number, and then your Emirates, like the location, and then your monthly income. After that, go with next and proceed with the following instructions. And in this way, you'll be able to open an account or open an Emirates NBD zero balance account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.